it's Rana, and I have a pretty little studio unboxing today. Super, super excited about this box, and I can't wait to share it with you. Okay. I do have some reorders of things. So I was out of the dried flowers from Ginger Snap, and I still have paper left, and I knew I needed some more of those. Pull those out before we even finish. Look, and then I have the tags as well. I love that. And as you can see, lots of sugar plum. That's what I'm super excited about seeing because I've never had this collection. And ooh, I cannot wait to get started with it. Love those letters. So I'm going to pull out, also got some Ginger Snap words. I have not had these before, and I love those. They're very usable. So a few more embellishments to go with what I still have left from Ginger Snap, and I always have lots of layouts in the fall. So I think it's just my favorite time to take pictures. So I think I got everything out, so we can go through this without the box. Rid of that. So let me know in the comments if you have sugar plum in your stash. I have to open one of these. Maybe I'll just do a couple of packages, but I want to see the size. And then this little mouse, I was really intrigued. Oh, the packaging is adorable. I'm cutting this up. This is cute. So we've seen these in different collections, and I always find those perfect for layering pieces back behind photos and things. You always end up with some tickets, and I think these are perfect. Like, we have gone to the Polar Express and having some tickets, or so many different events and things. Those are always really fun. I love Melissa's trees, don't you? Look how cute these are. Lots of different styles to choose from. Add some variety to your layouts. Like, that's adorable. Is that so cute? I think I had not ordered this earlier because of the pink, and now I am totally embracing the pink. We have nutcrackers, little pieces of candy. I don't know if I have any collection with little pieces of candy, but look at the little mouse. That little mouse is so cute. Here's another one. Adorable. I love this Santa, that vintage Santa. Another nutcracker. Oh, and we've got mice up on the rooftop with Santa there. Always can use some candy canes. More candies. Perfect layering pieces. A lot of people like to add their dates. I usually use them and just add like little word bits and things. Love that. Look at that gingerbread house. So cute. So cute. Okay. Another little mouse that's sleeping. Okay. Perfect. I always love all the little die cut hearts. Like, she doesn't waste any bits. She uses the space and gives you so many different pieces. Okay, I got some of the stickers because I wanted the smaller versions of some of these, so I think those are super cute. Oh, I got some ginger snap hearts too. Put my ginger snap over there. I got some of the Flair because I love using Flair. And I thought these were very, very sweet. Tags are always a great idea. Can use lots of tags. Got the words. Lots and lots of great words. Two, three more packs of ephemera. Holiday stems, and there's candy canes in there. Those will be fantastic, and they're a nice size. We've got the florals. Beautiful. And I've been loving the banners. This one's called Fruitcake Banner. Isn't that so cute? I love the stockings with the little animals in there. There's 2 of those. I believe there's 2 of each banner. You get a 6-inch and an 8-inch. So I've used a bunch of these from Ginger Snap, and so I wanted to get some from this collection. Oh, there's more tiles. That's a perfect color for Ginger Snap. And then I got these 3 colors for my Sugar Plum. I like to, you know, have subtitles, and these are perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the paper. I've got these a little bit different than I normally do. So these are single-sided and they're 16 sheets. And this is the Sugar Plum Collection Pack in 8x8. I do 8x8 books for both of the girls. So I wanted the 8x8. This is perfect. I love those. Just a little dot, beautiful wreath, some pink snowflakes, all of the little animals. I see the vintage deer and bear, some of those cute mice from this collection. So many things. This one is always a favorite. I wish she had this plaid in every collection. Always need a stripe. This one's cute. That is so fun. I can't wait to do something with that one. Some beautiful florals. I like the minty color, and I ordered a distress. This is the mica stain. I ordered a mica stain in the mint to go with this collection. So I don't have it here on my desk, but it is, I'm hoping that it'll look nice together. I like this one too with the stars, with the wood grain stars in there too. That'll be fun. Some cute little stars. Cute floral with some little mice hiding along in there. Some hearts. And the words. Very fun. And then you can see each of them. So this should be exactly the same, only in a smaller scale. And I like to have those. Oh, no, this is the accent. So no, it is different. It is different. Let's look at these two. So a stripe. A diagonal stripe is always fun. Some little red hearts. Those are cute together. And that one's a great candy cane. This one was in the other one. But then we've got a pink polka dot and a pink plaid. Oh, I love that. The candy canes. And a green polka dot, green plaid, green stripe. Perfect. Got this one that was in there and this one that was in there in the other pack. And then the blue and the blue plaid. Gorgeous. Okay, love that. Then I got the Ledger pack. And some more Ginger Snap paper. I can't run out of a collection. I tell you, I'm just... People talk about killing their collections, and here's me over here reordering if I run out of one. That's adorable. I like cutting these pieces up. I have yet to use like the whole thing, but I love cutting them up. This one is perfect background. So cute. Oh, I love this color of pink too. So pretty. The mouse is checking Santa's list. So cute. I've got our vintage reindeer. And there's the little mouse from this collection. Oh my goodness, so cute. Ooh, I love this one. This one's called Meringue. Isn't that perfect? Love that. That'll probably be the first one I use if I'm doing 12 by 12. We've got a big nutcracker here. That's pretty. Very pretty. Another border. We've got a deer hiding over here and a little mouse. Love that background. That'll be really pretty to layer up some of those big florals. Pink lemonade. It's just a nice background. Love this one. Very easy to use. That's cute. Very good. Oh, I love this one too. So usable. Great one. It's another cute one with the little mouse. Vanilla flavoring. So lots of great backgrounds. I always love buying the ledgers because there are so many fun ones that are just perfect for a background. And that's kind of my what I like to do. I hope these are all together in here. Cut aparts are in with my single papers. So I have some cut apart words. Perfect also to go along with those black words, and then adding these on there with it. I love the cut aparts. These are actually punch outs. These are super cute. I always love to get all the tags. And the borders. Love the borders. So cute. Got one in reds and one in some blues. We have some little label quotes. Oh, I love it. Here's the Grinch one. So cute. Those will be fun. Oh, there's the blue. So I have pink, red, and blue. Perfect. Some big hearts, because you can always put a heart on a page. And little hearts. Perfect. And then these are the single-sided sheets, or the single sheets I ordered. So it was out of this one in Ginger Snap, and this is my very first one that I used, and then every time I'd pull out the collection to use it, I'm like, oh, I want to use this one, looking at the front cover, and then this one would be gone because this is the very first one I used, and had to get another one of those. This is some Ginger Snap Ledger, just easy to use. Grabbed a couple of those. Then I got a couple from You Are My Sunshine, and I had to get this one. Right? I mean, so cute. This is You Are My Sunshine. And I didn't have this one the first time, and I really needed it. I mean, look at those. We've got all these beautiful florals. There's even a balloon up there. A little cat. This is, I just love this. I couldn't be out of that sheet, so got a few of those. My favorite blue. If you've seen any of my Pretty Little Studio videos, you know that this is my favorite paper. So good. So good. I've used almost all of my first sheet of that one. Love the tags. Oh my goodness, I love the tags. The big butterfly, the rainbow. I've already used this one too, and I love it. You Are My Sunshine is one that I will never want to run out of. I'll want to have this for a very long time because the colors are just perfect for me. So thank you so much for watching my unboxing. I can't wait to start playing with this, and I do still have some more fall photos that I want to use. My oldest daughter's family did their pictures that they're using on their Christmas cards, and they are in front of a lot of beautiful fall trees, and I think I'm going to, I haven't decided for sure, but I think I'm going to go ahead and use Ginger Snap to scrapbook those, just because they don't really look Christmassy to me. They look fall because of the trees, and so they're beautiful on our Christmas cards, I'm sure, but they're going to be probably scrapbooked with the Ginger Snap. So thank you very much, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.